For the NetSuite's export feature, here you can say we have in the contact and select the one of the contacts, and we show the export to NetSuite's field. We can also set the select the multiple records and export to NetSuite sites. Here, whenever we export NetSuite site, it create the sync queue. Here is a currently 57, and here is 58, which we just created queue. Here is a cron to automatically export all the records from Odoo to NetSuite sites. So accordingly, we have multiples like sales and purchase. We can also export the NetSuite's all the categories which we have mentioned inside the NetSuite's configurations. So here is all the customers, vendors, products, sale, purchase, bills, invoice, credit notes. There are all the categories. We applied the option for the export to NetSuite sites, and we also automatically sync the records once in a while. The schedule queue schedules automatically. Thank you.